student of Srinivas Ramanujan Institution of Technology from first year BTech. This is my continuous alternative assignment 2. My roll number is 244G1A05H2 from C section from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This is my continuous alternative assignment 2. Subject differential equation and vector calculus. Subject code 23MAT02. Topic curl theorem. To prove that curl A bar into B bar is equals to A bar into divergent B bar minus B bar into divergent A bar plus B bar into delta A bar into A bar into delta B bar. First vector. A quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction is called vector quantity or simply a vector. Examples: weight, displacement, velocity, acceleration and force, etc. Scalar. A quantity which has only magnitude and which does not involve idea of direction is called a scalar. Examples: length, speed, mass, volume, temperature, time, etc. These are the examples for scalar quantity. Irrotational vector. A vector f bar is said to be irrotational vector if curl f bar equals to 0 or curl delta into f bar equals to 0. Scalar potential. If f bar is irrotational, then always f a scalar point function pi of x comma y comma z such that f bar is equals to delta pi, where pi is the scalar potential. Remember that vector point function f bar is equals to f1 of t I bar plus f2 of t j bar plus f3 of t k bar. Del operation is delta is equals to I into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z. Gradient. Gradient is equals to delta pi is equals to I dou of pi by dou x plus j bar of dou pi by dou y plus k bar of dou pi by dou z. Directional divergent. dd of f is equals to delta f into unit vector. Magnitude of mod f is equals to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Angle between two vectors is equals to cos n1 plus into n2 plus by mod of n1 bar into mod of n2 bar. Divergent f is equals to delta f dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Sinusoidal delta into f bar equals to 0. Curl is equals to delta into f bar is equals to det I j k by dou x by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. Irrotational. Delta into f bar is equals to 0. Then coming to the theorem, curl A bar into B bar is equals to A bar divergent B bar minus B bar divergent A plus B bar into delta A bar into delta of B bar. Then first curl A bar into B bar is equals to summation I into dou of A bar into B bar by dou x. Summation I and dou of A bar into B bar by dou z equals to dou of A bar by dou x into B bar plus A bar into dou of B by dou x. Then separate the summation I with summation I into dou A by dou x into B bar plus dou I into A into dou B by dou x equals to multiply I with two terms, then summation I into B bar into dou A by dou x minus I into dou A by dou x into B bar. Next plus summation I, then B bar into I dou A by dou x minus I into A dou A by dou x into B. b bar is, separate the b bar term, then b bar is equals to summation I into dou by, separate the a bar from dou by dou x into a bar minus summation I is equals to dou a by dou x plus b bar plus summation I is equals to dou b by dou x into a bar minus a bar into summation I dou by dou x into b bar. Then b into dou I by dou summation I into dou by dou x right has delta, then a bar minus delta into a bar b bar plus delta b bar into a bar minus a bar into delta b bar, then delta into b bar plus a bar minus delta into a bar b bar plus b bar into delta a bar minus a bar into delta b bar. Then write delta into b bar has divergent b, then a bar into divergent b minus b bar into divergent a plus b into delta a into a bar minus a bar into delta b bar. Hence proved. Note a bar into b of b bar into c bar equals to b of c bar into a bar is equals to c bar into a bar into b bar. Thank you, ma'am.